Kamusta?
I'm amazing.
Hindi ka mamahal siya kung
Awe! Oh my gosh. Very me.
Hi, my name is Morsi Hans. You're watching Mix.
Apelido mo.
Kanlas.
Iga.
Nasal.
Open na.
Oh, you know the drill?
No, I don't.
Define these Kapmapangan last names under 5 minutes.
Go.
Pastok ka.
Go.
Okay, so your first word is makaspak.
Maspak, yung masira, kayong Kapmapangan. Ay, may spak ya. May break. O may sira itang, you know what I'm saying?
May naspak. Siguro niyang panong daw, mga spak la rin. Cobra ramahan yan, palagi ako. Ring pamilya nga rin.
Makaspak, aspak. Bang, makan yan. Ale, like hit.
Break. Aspak.
Makaspak? Mispak? Wah! Break? Wala mo yung
ba?
break ini.
Aspak ya. Pastok nga, literal. Okay.
So makaspak means one who cracks bones or skulls.
I got it. Pwede na.
1-0.
Next. Sige, good.
Easy.
Okay, good. Okay, next. Mamangun.
Mamangun.
Hotel Gilalang Mamangun shop.
Shoutout, tol. Balo mo ninoy ka. Bumabangon? Rising up? Hindi. Am I right or am I not?
To rise. Mamangun.
Mamangon to rice.
Nice. Bangon.
Aahon? Bumangon.
Mamangan? Diniscuss tayo ni before. Wala mo mag-get up. Bangon.
Mamangun comes from the Kapmapangan word bangon. To rise up from the ground.
I'm on a roll, you know?
This is just the easy round.
Okay, pwedeng easy lang hanggang mamaya.
2-0.
Mamangon.
Tuya.
Totoo? Legit? Damn!
Mamangun.
To rice yan.
What to rise?
Okay.
To rise. Pangan.
Pangan is mangan, like mangan, eat. I hope I'm right.
Pamangan? O kaya kaya ini. Bala mo verbisyo. To do something. Panganyanan ming makanina. Bala makanta. Matay nga iisip ko kayong pangan.
Kaya Gilalang Pangan.
Atin, marakal. Naning root word na ning pangan? Pan? Pangan? I don't know. Pangan. I guess, eat. To eat.
Eat.
One word wonder.
Mangan.
Pamangan yun.
Pamanganan? Oh!
Our first pass.
I forgot na. What mangan?
Okay, you're right. To be eaten or one or who can be eaten. Alright.
Wala mo yun.
Dana, na rin game siguro. Pangan lab. Easy!
Oh my God, I'm so good!
Yung mga tatakman.
Takmo ko lang mo.
Next. Wow, mata.
Really? Okay, mamangan. Mamangan.
Manabat.
Humarang, black.
Ang gamitan may sentence ngayon ni manabat tricycle, manabat ka. So siguro rin ni manabat lang kanito niyang panahon da.
Abat. Sabat. Ale, to block. To hinder, block.
Stop. Abat.
Manabat kong jeep. Manabat kong trike. Abat. Panayan me?
Manabat. Alya?
So actually, one who accosts someone from the verb abat to spring up suddenly. Wala mag-ambush. Manabat.
Walang checkpoint.
Wow. To place. Bakayabat.
Manabat. 4-0 na una.
Ay,
Easy round.
damn.
Abatan da kageta. Abatan da po da.
Wala mo, abatan kayo makanta.
Wow. So become obstructive. So wala mo ambush siya kita ng hindi.
Okay.
It's a word for... Hoy, ako pa masigla. Man-shooting.
Quiet on the set.
Manyalong.
Manyalung. It's either maglaro ka o kumandanom.
Bakit kumandan?
Wala mo, daramdaman ko lang ng elder school. Manyalung ang danom. Ada.
Manyaklo.
Ay, manyaklu! I am so sorry! Tao lang ako.
Palagi ako, mamyalong yun or manyalilong
Mamyalong. E di mamyalong, aliya to play.
Play. Mamyalong. Mamyalong ka ta. Play.
Umyan. Pialong.
Manyalong.
Hindi uli na rin sinabi ko.
It's like playing. Playful.
Manyalong is one who entertains or one who plays a game.
There we go.
Tang mamyalong yun, manyalong.
Tuloy kami nula mo.
Totoo, ay nakagaling ko. Damn, I'm so good.
Stula wari. Stula?
One who entertains.
Okay.
Ay, medyo masaktan.
Oh no!
Kagyat.
Sakit na. Kagyat. Umakyat. Baka pinakyat yun eh. Clue, Bab. Sige. Clue.
Wala yung clue.
Yayain.
Agkat.
We're going somewhere.
O sige, tanang pera malapit. Siguro managka la rin.
Alia, bala mo kayat tilta. Ket.
Nanakaget. Kinis. I don't know.
Kines.
Kinis.
Get? Balo.
Ay, kagyat. Pass.
Kagyat is a group of people who have come together to work for a common cause.
Yung kami kagyat meeting
6-0.
Oh!
Mabilis ka. Yung mga nagluluto, yung baka na ano na sila.
Baka napupupot.
Hindi yung kilala kagyat.
Nagyat.
Kasi kagyat is a group of people who have come together to work for a common cause.
Oh! Unity!
The views and opinions expressed by the host do not reflect that of the store and its management. Furthermore, the views and opinions expressed by the guests do not reflect that of the host, the show, the store, and the network.
Sabi ito, kagyat.
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 Really,
Ay,
kagyat.
pabustan.
Hirap.
Kilala mo yung pabustan?
Yep. Tropa kayo eh. Patawarin. May comments. Bayaran.
Daramdaman kayo yung word na yan, itang pabusten me eh. Verb yan. Paburen me.
Pabustan. Pabus. Busbus. 2. Insert.
Paburen. Pabustan me.
O, yung mga kayo masiglagin eh.
Pabustan.
Paboren. Ay, balo. Pabustan mo. Wala.
Kaya, paburen me! Pabustan me, no?
Pabustan is one who has been neglected or left to do his own. Paburen.
Oh my God! Oo nga, no?
Paburen me. Pabustan. Shoutout Sylvia, my mom.
Actually, busbus is wrong.
Hi, Ma'am Pabustan. Dip ka. Sabi na pala, mga Nalveya. Hi, Ma'am.
Actually, mas kuwait ang pabusten.
Pabusten.
Daramdaman eh.
Oh, sino?
Or
Negligence.
to neglect or to be left to his own devices.
Na price kanini?
Mayari is a Filipino restaurant. It is located here in Ventura. Come visit us here in Mayari. We're located here in 206 Ventura. You can also check our Facebook page here at Mayari Pampanga. Also the Instagram, Mayari Pampanga.
They have excellent drinks.
Yes.
Retang drinks the guys. Retang craft beer, retang cocktails. They have
Thank
a promo
you.
of their cocktails, right?
Yes, it's a buy one, take one right now.
Buy one, take one before 7 p.m. So, check it out.
Try it.
Manya-manya itang tura pa nga. Go for it. Go, just do it. Now.
Maglalang.
Maglalang. Ningnang. Ali. Maglalang. To make.
Maglalang yung artist. Paneken daramdaman nini po tang atin lang pakilalang artist. Imiglalang king makanya na ini.
I should know that. Maglalang. To put something inside. Like a spirit. Alimanta.
Parang papalubin.
I am so sorry to it.
I think something about labor work or something. Magning ng Liya? I don't know.
Pero di ko kilala maglalang.
Awatin. Ay, awatin. Ano ito? Kibalang idea. Maggaya.
Ikaw, wala hula mo.
Wala ba rin ng lam tinker? No.
Ooh, okay.
Really?
You're close.
Datang mag-think things. Like Tinkerbell.
Maglalang. One who creates or one who designs or one who manufactures.
On a roll. Luwid.
Pila na? 7-0? Yes, maglalang. Damn.
I think sabi ko bala mo labor eh. Ano nga ko sure nun na. Reject na pinigaman pa ako. Reject pa yung English ko. My goodness.
Maninang.
Iron. Soldering iron.
Maninang itang potang gagawa, itang yung gagawa ni tatang ko kanto itang kitang bakal. Inangan me, anong mga yan. Sundo na yata king gaya. King tutusok na, tamang ta. Inangan, ano yata.
To shine. Ali! Tatagalugo ako na rin Kapmapangan.
Adida Rausi. Ningnang. Ale.
Hindi na naman danong ba ninyo.
I thought of carpentry but...
Actually, that's close.
Ah?
Maninang.
Malikot ang bingnes.
Pupukok. Mag-scout.
Wait, I'm thinking. Ninong.
Actually, it's 2 years.
Ah!
Maninang is most likely a hereditary metal worker. Ano nga yun? So, bakal. One who solders siya actually.
Pikatulan talang yun rin maninang eh. Maninang.
Solderist. Solderman. Or Maninang Jane.
No, actually, it's not that. He didn't solder.
Wow, bala mo tayo. Bala mo. Like...
Maninang.
Inangan
Metal
mo.
worker.
Ah. Close enough, Ninang.
Yumul.
Yumul. Oh! Sheesh! Yumul is mag-accumulate.
Manula na ako mo. Laloin kayo katang yumul. Yumo. Karan ko niya mo i-connect. Kasi malaw yan. Kala akong balong word na umul.
It's kind of samul. Yumul-samul. Ale?
Weird, pero aisip ko, simulmul.
Yumo.
Yumo. Sugar na.
Sugar.
Panyuno.
Panyuno.
Umul. Bakit ang umul na word? Pero kaya balo na ning umul. Umul yung balo ko, but I don't know what umul.
From one who grinds or pulverizes something from the Kapmapangan umul to crumble, pulverize, or grind.
Okay. Okay.
Sa ito, paano paya ka ratang kaklase kong yumul? Ito siguro mortar and pestle kanitang panahon nito na. Manyumul na.
One who grinds. I love that.
Parang pumabalong yumul, red yumul.
Blue yumul. Green yumul. Yellow yumul.
Lagi nga yung utak ko.
One who grinds or pulverizes something.
Okay. Shout out Yumul.
Alay mo kilala. Alay mo kilala. Next. Mangiliman.
Mangiliman? Mangili. Nalulungkot. Mangiliman nyo. Ewan ko.
Palagi ako kaya tayang gili. Mangili na lang mo.
Lalaking mangiliman.
Mo.
Pariro yung
Mangiliman.
Mangili. Someone who cuts. Chef. A chef? Someone who cooks.
May kaya king mind ko. Magdalumdom. Manilim. Manilim.
Yung diliman.
Manilim. Sisilim.
Madalumdom?
Madalumdum kasi dilim.
Yeah.
Rini, taga-bambal.
Uy, Mangiliman!
Yeah.
Shout out! Kaya ba mangil side or liman? Not word na. Iliman or na.
Malapit na eh.
Liman! Liman! Liman.
Oo, naniliman.
Eke balo.
Mangiliman is one who gathers and works with the giliman. Giliman vine.
The plant.
The giliman vine is a vine used to fashion fish traps and fish pens.
Ala nang gagamit ko nga manong giliman.
Siguro, alaki, hindi pero ka rin towns na mag-boat.
Nung gagamitan din siguro kay Lugalyo,
Hindi okay.
edi okay.
Oh.
Ting expertise mo.
Oh.
Dito rin mag-ubra, gagamitan din ng pang-fishing.
One who gathers or works with the giliman vine.
Fish. Okay, fish.
So, tumang.
Yan.
Tumang. May pressure ko.
Lang grab tumang.
Ating ko ko, na itang meaning eh. Kaya balo. Tumal. Hindi. Stop.
Palagay ako something to do with fishermen. Tumang.
Timang. Hali yung mga kanta.
Tumang. Tumang. Manang.
Magnang lang.
Paano na li magnang?
Paano na lang magnang lang? Stuna.
Stuna. Magsakit na ako. Hint.
Mexico yun ba?
So, it has something to do with Mexico.
Dayo. Narinyaming origin eh. Sir.
A word. Ala na akong ba? Ala, sorry.
Tumang is an old Kapampangan word that means a superior's high-handed attitude towards his inferiors.
So, mata pobre.
Sorry, Mac, tumang. Kalupad daw pa mambus ko niyan. Kaya balo yung apelyido mo.
Superior yaman yan tumang. On people. Oh my God.
What?
Alam mo mapag...
Malamang ano, right?
Shout out.
Dala easy. Galura.
Shoutout. Yung pa mong kaluguran ko, Galura Yumul. Bongga.
Bongga.
No.
Okay.
Galura. Mythical creature, manananggal. O nga, aliya. O kasi atin lang counterpart ng manananggal kayong Kapampangan, balo ko eh.
Eagle. Some kind of animal. Galura. I have heard of Galura before when Mike Pangilinan was explaining stuff before. So I've heard of that. Bird or eel. I don't know. Something very majestic. Probably a bird.
Kung kilalang galura, kaligyo. Tabalo tayo isip ko sa negosyo.
Teacher ka yan.
Teacher mo yan.
Wow, binagsak ako niyan.
Alam ang idea
Lumibot? Pangasakit na naman! Galura. Lura!
Oh, sige, Lura. Naling Lura.
Ika yan ang bala na ng lura. Asmong niya. Tikbalang makanyan. White lady.
It's originally from the Sanskrit Garuda. It refers to the giant bird that carries the Hindu god Vishnu.
Oh my God. Religion.
Pagans to rin nila panwalan na rin Kapampangan nung makanito.
Nice.
Oh, bird yan.
I'm so
It,
good. Garuda, Eagle.
Garuda,
Beyblade. Ay, alin. Ano si? Crash Gear.
You got religion. Okay, you got...
A giant bird.
Oh! That's what she said.
I love that.
I want giant.
I tried my best. Gawa ko nga ganang pero at least atin tayo ulum. Nakalya roots tang word na malalam yung Kapampangan, lalo yung tang Mangiliman. So, specific fruit, plant. That's hard, man.
Ito yung simanan.
At yung cinnamon, manyaman yung pamangan kayo ng Mayari, puntalan nyo lang.
These are the craft beers of Mayari. It's 8.5 ABV. What's ABV? Abbreviation. They have a lot of pale ales here and they are really nice. I'll drink one of them.
Okay, kaya
All of them.
Well, bala mo Kyla, unfamiliar. Especially tang galura. And sounds all ningnang.
Dahil palang Kapampangan ni Surnames sama tilandit meaning. Titi ang pibatan.
And the winner is... Congratulations! Salamat po for watching our video. If you like content like this, nung mag-enjoy kayo yung format ay ni, we're trying to experiment with new formats such as this. Please let us know. And we're also trying to experiment with new people like Celine.
I'm always the new the new member.
Titamba yung beke ni handsome boy Bruno. So, welcome. Ceasefire. If you're looking for a speakeasy, relaxing atmosphere for a bar, nori kayo munta.
Mayari.
Ay, sorry.
Hey! Yung Mayari, kanyang Marisol. Siyempre, nung minta na kayo Marisol, baluya yung Ventura Street. Happy nito.
Steak Street, karate.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye guys!
Oktoberfest!